Tate L7 Static Contact Fully Automatic Spot Welding Machine Manufacturer. It is a fully automatic spot welding machine dedicated to L7 static contact silver contacts. It adopts automatic feeding, automatic spot welding, automatic unloading. The whole production process does not require manual labor intervention. It has high production efficiency and good welding quality. We are the source manufacturer of fully automatic spot welding machines. Our factory directly produces machines and provides after-sales service for you. There is no middleman to make the difference. The price of the machine is cheaper and the service is better. We are a large-scale automatic spot welding machine manufacturer in China. We can customize all kinds of automatic terminal spot welding machines for you. It is widely used in the automatic spot welding production of switch parts, electrical parts and machine parts. If you also need this fully automatic L7 static contact spot welding machine, you can get more machine information through the contact information in the upper left corner of the screen or subscribe to our channel.